Hello, everyone, and welcome. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the lounge. My name is Amanya, and I'm happy that you're here today. So today we are going to take on a whole bird. We're going to take on a small bird, a chicken, little chicken, not too big and not a Cornish either, but it ain't as big as a turkey. So we're going to tackle us a little chicken, and we're going to cook her up in our cast iron pot, and it's going to be seasoning it, potatoes, carrots, everything goes in, cover it up, cook it, done. Easy as one, two, three. And I love cooking this way. I love putting everything together because then you don't have to constantly going back and forth adding things in, and it just makes things a lot easier. And I love it because I use a crock pot a lot, and so that's how I've trained myself to be able to just throw everything together and come out with a wonderful meal. So today, if you're interested in seeing how I put together a wonderful chicken in my oven in my cast iron pot, come on and let's go. So the meal that you're going to see me prepare, our little chicken. This was done during the holiday season. And by the way, Happy New Year's again. I can't believe it's already almost the middle of January. But any event, what you're going to see is at the end of the video where I taste test the food, you're going to see an item on there that you didn't see during the video. And that is going to be my black bean quinoa. And I will have another video showing how that is made. But I just wanted to show items that I made during the Christmas holiday with, what my chicken was, what the side items were. And you've already seen one, by the way, that bread pudding, that side item, that wonderful bread pudding that you can also turn into a dessert, which is what I did. So I'm putting videos up of all of those separate items that I made during the holiday. So you will see that quinoa video in another later on, maybe next week or something like that. So I just wanted you to know what was on the plate if you had any questions. So I want to say thank you again for watching, subscribing, joining, and sharing. It really does mean a lot. And I thank you for supporting the channel by purchasing the items that I have, my books on Amazon, and anything else in my shop. So thank you very much, and let's go.